Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the device off or asleep to prevent corruption. Once done, find the SD slot. It might be on the side, under a flap, or behind a panel. Make sure any adapter is removed so the microSD fits directly. Orient the card using the notch and contacts. Insert gently until it clicks or sits flush. This reduces bending or damage and primes the switch for the next configuration step. Now focus on the physical switch along the card's edge. That tiny slider controls write protection. Slide it toward the unlocked position if you need to save or modify files, or toward lock to prevent accidental changes. Once positioned, insert the card fully and power the device. Make sure the OS mounts the card. Check notifications or storage settings, because recognition confirms the switch state is being respected, and complete your session by saving files and ejecting the card through the operating system. This prevents corruption and ensures pending writes finish. If you can't write, stop and verify the switch is set to unlocked and remount the card. Sometimes it's a seating issue. If problems persist, test the card in another reader or run a disk repair utility to check for logical errors. This isolates hardware from software faults and helps you decide whether to replace the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.